Buying flooring is easy. Buying the right flooring is hard. With all the different options from LVP to laminate to engineered hardwood to hardwood, and don't even get me started on the brands. It's just a lot to consider. Hi, I'm Jordan from Arco. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to be telling you what I wish I would have known before I bought my flooring. The goal of this video is so that hopefully some of you can learn from my mistakes and help you get a better idea of what you're looking for. So without further ado, let's get into the first thing I wish I would have known. Less is more. You're probably thinking, what do I even mean by that? Let me explain. I got a very busy floor. The overall color of it is nice, but the pattern is just all over the place and it's a little too busy for me. As you can see, it has streaks of black in it. I thought that would tie in nicely with my countertops, but if anything, now I realize that it just takes away from those countertops. Your eye just kind of has a hard time of what to look at, and it just makes it overall just distracting. Definitely go for a flooring with a little less going on if you want more of a clean look. I mean, let's just be honest, simple flooring is never going to go out of style. But without further ado, let's move on to the next thing I wish I would have known. Go for a wider plank. Yes, definitely go for a wider plank. Wider planks make for such a luxurious feel, but more importantly, it makes your space just seem larger. Especially if you're like me, I'm in a smaller living space, and so tight, narrow planks like I do have just make it look smaller. I just wish I would have went with a larger, wider plank. A lot of times, flooring brands, they'll have an XL collection of whatever you're looking at, and that's what you're gonna want to go for if you want that larger plank, because that's a wider plank, obviously, hence the name XL. But yeah, if you want to maximize your space, get a wider plank. Let's move on to the next thing I wish I would have known. Choose the right wear layer. Yeah, this one hurts. I got LVP with a 6mm wear layer, which is I regret. I definitely regret it. Typically, you'll see wear layers from 6, 12, 20, 22, and the thicker the wear layer, the more protection your floor is going to have from scratches, dents, stains, all that kind of stuff. At the time, I was living alone, so I thought, who cares? I don't really need anything crazy. And then I got a dog. And that dog has very sharp nails and just ripped through my flooring. So if you have pets or kids, I would get at least 12. Go for the beveled edges. Now, I had no idea this existed before I got flooring, so I got a floor without beveled edges. But I'm warning you, once you see beveled edges compared to non-beveled edges, you're not going to be able to go back. It just looks so much better. As you can see, it just makes the floor look so much more realistic, like it's a hardwood floor or something really nice. Not that LVP isn't nice, it just adds a lot of definition and character. So if you want all your friends and family to visit you and think that you have hardwood floors, go for a beveled edge. And before you leave me, make sure to get your flooring from arcoflooring.com, the only place to get wholesale floors shipped direct to your home or project. It is seriously such an easy way to shop for flooring. You will find the best prices in the industry, and we have dedicated sales reps just for you so that the process goes smoothly. We ship all over the United States. Check out arcoflooring.com. Anyway, it's been Jordan from Arco Flooring, and I'll see you guys in the next one.